Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this photo editing platform, which is Photoshop. So let's start with a quick beginner review about Adobe Photoshop. So let's get started. Adobe Photoshop remains the gold standard for professional photo editing and digital design in 2025. It continues to evolve with powerful AI features like generating fill, AI object selection, and text-to-image tools, making complex edit fast and easier than ever. Whether you are a photographer, designer, or content creator, Photoshop gives you a full control with layers, mask, brush, 3D tools, and advanced retouching capabilities. It supports all major files type and integrates smoothly with other Adobe apps like Illustrators and Lightroom. What set Photoshop apart in 2025 is its balance between professional precision and cutting-edge AI photo automation. Beginner can now do complex edit with simple click, while advanced users still have all the creative freedom they need. The only downside is its cost. Photoshop is subscription based and might be overkill for casual users, but for serious creative, it continues to dominate the digital art space, offering unmatched tools for image manipulation, graphic design, and visual storytelling. And that's it. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this photo editing platform. And if you find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.